Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the Consumer Reports 6 most reliable SUVs as of May 2025. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is the definition of quiet confidence, reliable, steady, and built to get the job done without drawing attention. It doesn't rely on flash or hype. Instead, it wins over drivers with consistent performance and long-term dependability. As of May 2025, Consumer Reports continues to rank the Highlander among the top 5 most reliable midsize SUVs in America. It earns an above-average reliability score, while J.D. Power gives it an impressive 81 out of 100 in quality and reliability. Solid reassurance for anyone tired of unexpected repair bills. When it comes to ownership costs, the Highlander keeps things simple. Most drivers report minimal expenses beyond regular maintenance. Just oil changes, tire rotations, and routine service. There are no recurring breakdowns, no mechanical surprises, just a dependable vehicle that works exactly as expected. Sure, it's not built to dominate the track or tow massive loads, but for daily driving, family duties, and long-term peace of mind, the Highlander performs with calm precision. In a market where many SUVs chase trends or redesigns every year, the Highlander stays the course. It doesn't need to reinvent itself. It just keeps running strong while others fall behind. Number 5. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to prove that true reliability doesn't need to shout. It simply shows up, performs, and stays consistent year after year. As of May 2025, Consumer Reports predicts the CR-V to be more dependable than the average new vehicle, while J.D. Power gives it a strong 84 out of 100 for quality and reliability, making it one of the most trusted names in the compact SUV class. According to RepairPal, the average annual maintenance cost is just $407, noticeably lower than the segment average of $521. That means more savings over time without compromising performance. Looking at longevity, iSeeCars reports a 37% chance that the CR-V will surpass 200,000 miles, with an average expected lifespan of around 180,000 miles, or roughly 15 years of dependable driving. The owner experience backs that up. Kelley Blue Book shows that 83% of CR-V owners recommend the 2025 model, and it earns an impressive 4.8 out of 5 for reliability. With pricing between $30,000 and $36,000, the CR-V blends value, satisfaction, and long-term peace of mind. Number 4. 2025 Kia Telluride. Spacious, refined, and confidently built. The 2025 Kia Telluride remains one of the most well-rounded midsize SUVs on the road. As of May 2025, J.D. Power gives it a reliability score of 85 out of 100, placing it comfortably above average in its class. Consumer Reports also continues to praise the Telluride for its solid build, intuitive tech, and high owner satisfaction. Since launch, the Telluride has earned a reputation for delivering a premium experience without the premium price. It's backed by Kia's 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, reinforcing its appeal for families and long-term owners. RepairPal estimates annual maintenance costs at around $470, which is competitive for a 3-row SUV. Owners frequently note its low repair needs and easy upkeep compared to higher-priced rivals. Pricing starts near $37,000 for the base LX and tops out just over $52,000 for the fully loaded SX Prestige X Pro, offering strong value across the range. From everyday driving to long-distance travel, the 2025 Telluride continues to deliver dependable performance, comfort, and long-term peace of mind. Number 3. 2025 Toyota Rav4. The Toyota Rav4 continues to set the benchmark for reliability in the compact SUV class. It's dependable, practical, and built to handle daily life without complication. As of May 2025, Consumer Reports named the Rav4 the most reliable vehicle of the year, leading a segment where many competitors still lag behind. Whether it's for commuting or road trips, the Rav4 delivers consistent performance and long-term peace of mind. Pricing starts around $31,000 for the base LE trim, while the XLE comes in closer to $34,000. Toyota also includes 2 years or 25,000 miles of complimentary maintenance, lowering your early ownership costs. It may not turn heads, but that's part of its strength. The RAV4 focuses on doing the essentials right, delivering reliability, efficiency, and low repair costs. In a segment full of trends, the 2025 RAV4 stays true to its mission: long-lasting, worry-free driving that keeps owners satisfied year after year. Number 2. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is the definition of quiet dependability, predictable, efficient, and always where you need it to be. As of May 2025, Consumer Reports continues to rank the Corolla Cross among the most reliable vehicles in the subcompact SUV class. Its predicted reliability score consistently exceeds the segment average, backed by solid data from model years 2022 through 2024. There's no guesswork here, just proven, consistent performance. It may not be built for speed or attention, but it excels where it matters most: peace of mind, low running costs, and long-term mechanical stability. Consumer Reports only includes vehicles with at least 2 full years of data, so the Corolla Cross's standing reflects genuine long-term reliability. Starting at around $24,000, with top trims just under $30,000, the Corolla Cross delivers excellent value for money. Owners frequently mention its low maintenance costs, making it one of the most affordable SUVs to own over time. No bold styling or complex engineering, just a smooth, practical ride built to go the distance. With proper care, the Corolla Cross easily passes 100,000 miles and keeps going. If you want an SUV that stays dependable with minimal fuss, the Corolla Cross is a smart, no-nonsense choice. Number 1. Subaru Forester. When it comes to long-term reliability, the Subaru Forester continues to set the benchmark. As of May 2025, the 2025 Forester received a predicted reliability score of 98 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, a near-perfect rating that reflects real-world owner feedback and consistent engineering quality. This isn't a one-time achievement. The Forester has been a Consumer Reports top pick for 12 consecutive years, a track record few vehicles in any category can match. Owners routinely report minimal issues, thanks in part to Subaru's conservative, refinement-focused design strategy. The company prioritizes durability over rapid innovation, resulting in fewer mechanical problems over time. J.D. Power also recognizes Subaru as the top-ranked brand for reliability in 2025, surpassing even Toyota and Lexus, an impressive feat that highlights the brand's engineering discipline and long-term value. The Forester's reputation is built on more than just strong ratings. It's a practical, dependable compact SUV that's built to handle daily driving, harsh weather, and extended mileage without costly surprises. It doesn't rely on gimmicks or excessive features, just consistent quality year after year. For drivers who value peace of mind over flashiness, the Subaru Forester stands out as one of the most dependable choices available today. It's not trying to impress, it's built to last. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.